In this tutorial, we are going to dive into the world of Excel and explore AND functions. This function is incredibly useful for making logical decisions based on multiple criteria. Whether you are a beginner or an Excel user, this video will help you understand and use the AND functions effectively. The AND function is a logical function that allows you to check whether multiple conditions are true or false. It returns true if all the conditions you specify the true and false if any of them are false. Okay, now let's move into and shows off the sentence, and I am gonna use this one to use the same or use the AND function. First here I use the if it is 0 is greater than or less than the 100, and I use here the AND function. Then first one I use the logic and I will say this will be just use this one, then use the 0, then close it, hit on the OK. So here got it the true, then again if I say it will be the less than the 100. So here then got the true. Okay, now if I gonna make it the 101, so what happened, it gives up the false because it doesn't meet with this criteria. Okay, now let's move into the another example, and here I use the criteria, and this is the criteria 1 and criteria 2, and I use the result, and I want to find out the result according to the and with the AND functions, and also with nested with the if functions. Now here I use the if function and use the AND function, just right. Then first one I will say it will be less than or equal, and I will say the 0. Then again I will see here if this one, or it will just say the less than the 45, then the message will come, I will say the fail. Okay, then again I will use here the if function, then use the AND function, then I will repeat the all of this one according to our criteria. So let me use and write here. So here I will use the or, it will come of the logical. If it is the false, so it will come of the invalid. I will just write here the invalid in all right this one, then close it with the parenthesis. Now again use the parenthesis. Now when I press now, you can see it gives a result according to our data set. Okay, so this way you can easily and combine the nested with the AND function, then you can get the this kind of result. Now if I gonna want to use the rest of data, just dragging down, and here we get the result according to our criteria. Okay, so that is for today's tutorial. The AND functions is a powerful tool for making logical decision in Excel. By understanding its sentence and the application, you can analyze the data more effectively, streamline your workflow, and make data driving decision with confidence. So thank you for watching.